October is Cybersecurity Month. The 1st to the 31st of October. Are we safe online?
Cybersecurity is instrumental to make the internet a safer place for ourselves, our children, young people, women, all of us.
What can we do?
I invite you to take an active part in the European Cybersecurity Month 2018 with your own contribution.
Learn how to protect your personal information online. Take part in European Cybersecurity Month activities and trainings. Visit the website and social media channels. Cybersecurity is a shared responsibility.